Alright, so tonight I'm changing the Dakota Blower Motor Resistor. Now here's what my old one looks like. And you can see it was the connector. See if I can get a good image here. The connector kind of cooked itself in there. You can see it's melted. I had to break it off. And couldn't get this thing out. Eventually, seen this wire and just cut the harness. And you can see it back there. I've already cut the ends to get it ready for this new kit. Now the new kit, this is what a nice clean blower motor resistor looks like. Now this I got off Amazon. I think it was a $12 kit. It comes with a new wiring harness. Apparently I'm not the only one that's had this problem. And I've cut the ends off these wires already. Those are 10, size 10 on here. It's pretty thick wires. These are a mix of 10s and 12s. And the instructions don't tell you exactly how to wire this up. It just says wire it up. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of match this up, and then match the connector wires up just kind of straight through with how these are, kind of laid out. So that's what I'm going to do next, and we'll see what I end up with. Okay, so now that's all wired up, and like I said, I just did it straight through, kind of just matching how it was done here with the connector for this new resistor. And so the resistor itself, I didn't talk about where it goes. It sits, there's 2 bolts that go on it, and it sits right up in here, and I'm just on the passenger side, and it just kind of fits right up in there, and then you 2 bolts up, and you don't have to move anything. I think actually what I did was I took this single bolt out here for this AC ductwork and just kind of pushed it out of the way so I could get my socket set up there. And so I'm going to stick this thing back in here and see if I have some air. Okay, so it's all hooked up. I did the 2 bolts to get it in there, and the 2 bolts are, one's real easy, one's kind of a pain in the ass, but again, you just gotta move this piece here, and I actually had some frayed wiring there, so I taped that up, and that's kind of connected to this whole thing too. So I don't know if a mouse got in there one time and chewed it up or what, but so let's test it out. I got the key on. So there we go. Before I had no air, it wouldn't even turn on, and now I have all settings back, and this was the issue, the blower motor resistor. Again, it's 12 bucks on Amazon with this whole kit, and I'll try to include the link to it in this video. So thanks for watching.